Hello! A few days ago we had birthday and we have got a new present and it was very exciting, so I was thinking to make a video about this toy. It's called Gluttonous Hippos or Hungry Hungry Hippos. It's for age more than 4. And you can play it from 2 to 4 players, or it can play only one person, like now. Let's play one game with 2 players. It's very easy to play. You just place the balls here to the right spot. There should be 5 balls from the same color, and then you just click this button, tuck, and then the first one who grabs the ball is the winner of the ball. Okay, and by the end of the play you just count the balls you have got, and this is the winner. So if there are 2 persons playing, you can use only 1 or 2. Each player can have 2 of them. Let's play one time with 2 persons. Okay, we are all set. Each hippopotamus has got the balls next to his. So we can start now. 2 persons, two people play. 3, 2, 1, go! We can use only 2 hippos. Okay, more. I think I'm winning. Green hippo is hungry. Okay, I think so. I won.
2,
1,
3,
2,
4, 5,
3, 4, 5,
7,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, my hippo was very hungry. I won. Okay, and afterwards I have one more film with 3 players. It's a very fun play. Hungry hippopotamus.
Wait. 1, no, 3, 2, 1,
go!
Wait, one more. Okay, let's count. We need how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8,
9,
10,
11.
And the winner is the yellow hippopotamus. Thanks for watching this video. See you at the next one. Bye.